You're going to have to bear with me on this one. What I'm looking at is this list. It looks very small, but when we looked at it on the screen with all the cards, it sort of gets lost. So if I just put a remark on here for you, I've got P1 there, which is in the 0 position. So P1 is in the 0 position in the list. P2 is in the 1 position. Remember, I'm indexing in the list. And the cards are in the 2 position. So 0, 1 and 2. So that's how that information had been sent back to the main program, and Deal holds all of that information. So I'm going to comment these out at the moment because I don't want them sort of ruining what I see on the screen. And I'm actually going to take these out altogether. I'm going to extract this information from Deal. So let's go here and let's say player 1 or player is equal to Deal. Okay, player 1 is equal to Deal at the 0th position. Okay, the dealer's cards are in Deal at the 1st position. And the new cards are in the Deal at the 2nd position. There. So now I've extracted that information from Deal. Deal was a complex list containing different items, okay, different length lists. But now I've got all 3. So I can change my print statements to show that. So I don't want these printing on the screen at the moment. I'll put them back in a minute. But I'm going to print these. So print players cards, and I'm going to use the print format .method .format player, and I'm also going to put a new line on the end so that it prints a blank line. Now I'm going to copy that, the dealer's cards, so I only need to put the dealer in there, and finally I'm going to print the cards. So now when I run the program, the only thing printed on the screen are going to be the dealt cards. And just to make sure, I am also going to print how many cards there are left over. So if I now run my program, the only thing printed on the screen are the dealt cards and the remaining pack. I've taken the original ones out and I'll show you those shortly. So run the program, and there we go. So the player's cards are the 6 of clubs, the jack of diamonds, the dealer's cards are the ace of spades and the queen of clubs, and the remaining pack starts at the 3 of clubs, and you should not find these values in there whatsoever. Then it's waiting to play the game again. Play the game again, and these are the dealt cards. Okay, so we can see that we got the start of the blackjack game. And just to check, if we put the original cards back in, we'll be able to see that basically the new set of cards here has the dealt cards taken out. So we started off here with the King of Hearts and the 8 of Clubs. They've been dealt out to player 1. And then we got the 2 of Clubs and the 6 of Spades. They were dealt out to player 2. And then the rest of the cards start off with the 10 of Hearts. Goes on to the 6 of Clubs, which it does. So run the program again. This time, this was my original list: the 10 of Diamonds, 2 of Spades, 3 of Diamonds, 5 of Spades, and they've been dealt out neatly here. Pause the video if you don't believe me. And then the rest of the cards have been dealt out here, and it's telling me that I've got 48 cards in the rest of my pack. So 4 cards have been dealt out with. So now we've got a game of blackjack where, number one, we've created a deck of cards and we've dealt out the cards to each player. Now we're ready to implement the rules of blackjack to test whether we win, lose, or how we're going to play the game. So that will be the next series of videos.